This radio is very popular with many people. It is very nice looking, has a large 6.5 screen, and includes many accessories that you don't need to buy extra. Watching videos is very convenient. The packaged accessories include remote control, box, cable and English instruction manual. If you need for LED rear camera, you can also choose to add a rear camera. Support Bluetooth function. When Bluetooth is connected, you can hear all kinds of music on your mobile phone on the radio. Support lossless music. Bring you a different sound quality experience. Support Bluetooth call, hands-free call, very convenient. You can set the time. Support time setting in various languages: Thai, English, Spanish, Chinese, Simplified, Indonesian, Chinese, Traditional, Arabic, Russian, etc. You can also set the functions you need in the settings. Supports UDisc, SD, UX, etc. Under 32 GB, you can insert the UDisc to listen to your favorite music, making you feel more happy during the driving journey. Supports mirroring function, supports Apple and Android phones. But it should be noted that some mobile phones with higher versions may not be able to use the mirroring function. iOS supports a one-way connection. Android mobile phone can display machine interface. Can also display a mobile phone interface and can serve each other. Support DVDCD. You need to unscrew these two screws before playing DVD. The DVD player is compatible with most DVD and CD discs available in the market. You can put your favorite CD. This radio also supports the function of the rear camera. When you are driving, you can directly see the situation behind the car on the radio, so that the safety of you and others can be guaranteed. The radio is fully functional and looks beautiful. Come and buy it. If it cannot turn on, you could check the fuse and try to combine the yellow wire with the red cable together to 12V positive and the black with the negative. If still not work, you can try to connect the yellow wire and the red wire separately. When the reversing wire is in contact with the positive pole, there will be a splash screen and a blue screen.